Hi folks, we're back with Revit training for our small little house project and continue on with our electrical. So in this drawing we're going to do our lighting so that we can be able to do things like this. So we can show these light fixtures on and they illuminate. This is realistic. This kind of a bad rendering. This is a draft rendering I did just to kind of see what we look like with colors. So let's go here. We're back in this mechanical model with the link architectural. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna jump this thing up here to the ceiling level 1 because all I care about is the light fixtures and the switches that I placed in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go jump up here. So now we're here with just light fixtures. So what we do here is same as what we've been doing before, and I don't really think I need to run through this, but let's just do this quickly. So to do a light fixture, this is copied into our from our architect's model, and what we want to do here, let me see if I can grab it. Okay, so there it is, and I'll select it. I think I might have did that one already. Let's see what's going on here. Let's just this guy. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so select this guy. Okay, this one not done. Something happened with that one apparently because when I select it, I should be able to go such as what I did here. So I'm gonna just take this one and I'm gonna go and get power for it. And then we have to have the panel selected. And then I'm gonna just say arc wire for this. That's the home run for that one light switch. So what we really do is, in this case now, we just edit this guy and add more to it. So select this here and go to edit circuit. I don't know what happened with that. I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna add this, that one, and that one. And let's just do this one since he's right here. And then I'm gonna go finish. And then I'll tab this guy. I'll tab one of these. Let's just grab this one. Okay, so there's one circuit. And so I'm gonna hit the arc wire. And there's our, I don't know what happened here, but maybe I didn't, let me see if I can edit. So you can edit these things, so I can go back here, I can go here, I can see if I can add this to this circuit. I don't know what's going on with that. I really don't. Let's see, tab, edit. Let's see if I can edit this circuit and add that to it. Edit. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about that. I got a problem there, so let's just move on here. I'm just gonna finish that off. So that's done. And then let's do these other light fixtures on this side. So basically the same deal. You just grab it. Now here, okay, the next thing we want to do now is for these switches. Well, let's get the lights, the power at first for the lights and do the switches later. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to do power. And we've got our panel selected. And then I want to edit the circuit here. And let's just add these 3 right here. Probably need to do the outside ones too. Then I'll finish it. And we just tab it. There's our home run. And then we'll finish these with you can go and select one of these two. I like the arc. And there you go. So that's what these little, when you see electrical drawing, the little squiggly lines are just home runs and connection circuits, not electrical, so don't quote me on that, please. So next thing we want to do is look at our switches. So we will grab, I don't know well, let's grab this one. And then you can see switch here. And then we'll select our switch. That would be that one for that fixture. Now, once you get the hang of this, you can really do this. I'm not electrical person, so I'm not really being that serious about this. So here's another one. Now this way we can go here. It's gonna be, well, we'll do some other stuff on the upper level, because the upper level we've got some situations. So here we'll do, we'll grab this one here, for instance, go with our switch, and then it'll say plus switch, and then we'll add this switch here. And there's our switch, and then we can like edit this system and add additional switches, additional features for that switch. So that switch will control all these lights here. Not really keen too much on how that works. I don't know how to get the line there, but if you get stuck, you really don't know, you can just go to Annotate tab, or you can go, I'm sorry, back to the Systems tab, and you can just manually place a wire. But it's best to do this with the within a system, because that way it will work within the panel. So we actually creating this panel schedule here. So now I'm going to jump to the second level ceiling. And so here now we got a three-way guide going here. So let's just run through this one right quick and move on to something else. So here I'm going to go with this light fixture here. Let's do this whole thing up here. So select this one, and then we'll do power. And so we'll we got our panel there, the same one we use it, and then we want to edit this circuit. So I'm going to go and add these light fixtures just here, and that one. And then I want to finish that circuit. I'll select this one here, and we'll go with arc wire. Okay, so now there's the circuit for power. Now we need to do the switch, and I'm struggling with the switch, so if anybody know how to do switches, let me know. So there's our light fixture. Let me see, I'm gonna tab to this guy. Okay, now let's go and grab this one here, and let's add switch. I think we should probably go switch and then do the fixture. No? Okay, I'm going to just try this again. So here I want to edit this to that switch. I want to finish that. So there we go. So that's how that would work. So that's how you would do. We've got our power and our electrical. So go through the rest of these, and we'll be back. Next we'll look at plumbing and how to do sanitary hot and cold water. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Please subscribe. Helps me make videos like this as much as I can. Anybody have any comments on this or suggestions to help me learning with this? I appreciate it. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all. Be safe, please.